Welcome back to Limitless Profit, and I wanted to touch real quick on why I like to scalp the market sessions opposed to holding them for, swing trades or days at a time. So as you can see, we still have our 1.4 lot size up there at 7756. Okay, we took that trade on the 7th, which was Monday, June 7th. Okay, we rode that bad boy down, we popped back up, rode that bad boy down, popped back up, and now we're just kind of sitting up here floating, waiting for it to come back down. I definitely think we're coming back down to this white line right in this general area of 76.70. As you can see, we have some previous action. Let's see, 76.77. We got a little support there. We've touched, there in the past. We've touched, it was resistance here in the past. So that's kind of a key area that I'm watching. Let's see. We've been holding this trade for like 5 days now. So if we drop down to the 5-minute time frame, okay, so you can see we entered on the 7th. I don't know the exact time that we entered, but probably a rejection right here. I saw this little, moving average crossover here, and then I'm looking for an entry, and we got in right there. Okay, let's say in theory. So it's about 5 o'clock my time, 1700, 1800, and so then we start to sell off here, as you can see, and then we go all the way till, an hour into New York session, about 6:30, and then we flatline, and then we start to push back up. Okay, so we're pushing up, and then once again, 6:30, the very next day into New York session, now we're pushing down. And then what happens? New York session rolls around again, right in this area, and then now what? Boom, we got to spike up. So now basically this trade's at break even though we've been riding the roller coaster up, down through all the market sessions. So the way I like to trade is I'm perfectly fine holding this trade. I'm going to continue to hold this trade. I'll go back to a 30 minutes so you guys can see. I definitely think that's a long-term resistance line here. Let's go to a 4-hour. You can get a real good look on what we're doing. Okay, so that's been a high there, swinging down here. And that's been a long-term resistance, touch here, touch there, touch. And I think we're going to come back down here and kiss this general area right there at, 76.80, 76.77, somewhere right in there. But, yeah, I could have already made, 60 pips, 70 pips, pocketing just scalping market sessions. Instead, I've been riding the roller coaster, and I'm 5 days into this trade, and I'm in the exact same spot as when I started. So if I were day trading, that would be, kind of my target would be, scalping the market sessions, the swings from London to New York, and just riding the momentum from each session. But yeah, just wanted to illustrate to you guys, kind of how it goes, what I saw there, and, what I saw may come to pan out, may not. But if it doesn't pan out, we end up hitting our stop loss. There are, 60 pips in there, what I could have easily taken profit, and I chose not to because I have a long-term goal. Patience is key, but there's a difference between day trading and swing trading. All right. Day trading, you get that instant gratification, you get that instant profit, lock it in, and you got it forever. Whereas, swing trading, you're just going to need a little bit more patience, and hopefully your vision will come to fruition. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. Just letting you know how I like to scalp the markets. I like to typically go in heavy, hit them hard with like 10 lot size, get 20, 30 pips out of it and get the heck out of there. But, we got a little 1.4 lot size rolling on this one, and hopefully it comes to pan out. If it doesn't, it's all right. We'll move on to the next one. They can't all be winners, but, yeah, just a little insight on what goes on inside my head. Really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Make sure to subscribe and check back, see how these signal providers are doing. All right, thanks, guys.